Hi guys, how are you? Welcome to our channel Lutotech. So today we are actually doing shocking the well. I'm gonna share you a couple of steps along with my whole process, and in that basically we are using the bleach, chlorine. You can say chlorine, kind of same thing, but we are using bleach. It's a perfect thing to use to shock your well and clean your water, the well water. So I'm using a gallon of bleach over here today. So just adding it and wait for 24 hours. I keep you track the whole process, what I'm doing and what steps you have to take. Let's go. Let's go toward the video. Few steps are here you have to follow. Just don't go ahead and start working on it. First of all, you have to turn your well off. It's a 220 power should be going on to your well. Just turn the breaker off, and next step you have to do, turn the water heater off. That's a very important and very necessary step to take. And so after that, you have to take the well cover off. Mine is little easier. Just take one screw off, and your top cover is coming off. And you have extra wire in it. Just take out the wire out of it and put it on the side, and then add a bleach in it. And make sure to cover your well while you are away for 24 hours. So just cover with a trash bag or something, so water cannot go in it. The excessive water, if any rain happen or something happen, so no water can goes in it, no predator or anything like that goes in it. Just keep a nice cover, so as you have to run the water again in it, as I shown in the video ahead. So just keep in mind these couple of steps, so you're good to go. Let's go to the next step. Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to shock the well to clean all the rest out of it. So I'll guide you the process later on shortly. I'm about to put about 2 gallons of Clorox bleach. Assalamu alaikum. So this is our second day. Look at the rust. You remember we had the chlorine in it. Just keep draining the water until you change the color and smell change. So far the color is like yellowish, as you can see in the camera. You can smell the rust. See? And if this first wash didn't work, just keep washing it a couple of times until your water is clean and clear, crystal clear. Because ours, we've been servicing off like first time on our watch. We are doing on first time. So it's supposed to be done like yearly basis, yearly maintenance kind of thing. Yeah, now I smell the chlorine in it. here we are, almost smell is gone. It's been 30 minutes it's running. Some people say 15, 30, 45 minutes, 1 hour. It's all depend on your water system, how big it is. And now you see the water color is crystal clear, and no slimy thing on your hands either, and smell is gone. But still wait for your county test, send it to lab to make sure the no bacteria in it anymore, no dust particles in it. So it's better to make the test. There we go. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. So after running water for an hour or so, it's not specifically hour. You have to just keep an eye on water smell, how it smells. You can see me in the video as well. I'm smelling it. So just keep an eye on it. When the color change, and first it's gonna be change the color to the clear. First some dusty water come out, as you seen in the video, and then after that you can feel some smell in it. So when the smell is gone, chlorine smell, just close the water and start using the taps regularly, and hope for a best result for you too. Mine is perfect now, so good for another year. See you next time.